Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video, another day, another dollar. It is Friday. Finally, the week is over, and I'm gonna show you how I caught this trade today with the team. Again, if you saw my video from yesterday, from yesterday's entries, which is right about here on my YouTube channel. Just make sure to check it out. This week. I've been trying to post a video every day this week because the conditions for the first time in a long time, it's been actually. I don't want to say perfect, but they have been a bit clearer. In this recent push, so we've been catching all of this move, literally. And market, of course, it is Friday. If you look here, Nasdaq is about to take the record highs. My broker, it's very weird. It's very different. But my broker, has already swept this high. My broker. But on TradingView, on the broker I use here just to analyze the charts on Capital Comp, this one has not taken the highs. So it's kind of weird. But anyways, if you haven't seen, again, just make sure to check the video from yesterday on yesterday's trade. Yeah, I actually explained a little bit of what my bias was and that I was actually holding. I left a runner open, and that ended up also hitting TP today. So awesome. So going here in higher time frame, of course, based on yesterday's candle, right? Based on yesterday's candle, my bias was bullish for today, right? So nice push, and this is actually telling me now, I want to see what's going to happen, of course, once that candle closes today. In the next 2 hours and 55 minutes, we have the closure. Let's see how next week is going to react. I think we should be taking this ice in the next couple minutes, to be honest. We should be taking it. If we don't, that's all right. They're probably going to take it next Monday, next week. Again, every broker is different. Try to compare it with your own broker to see if, for example, here this is NQ. This is what a different. Look at this. Look at the price on this one. This is Nasdaq. This is futures. Look how far it is, and my actual broker already hit it. But this brokers right here, they have not reached that, so it's kind of weird. But anyways, strongly bullish. Notice on the 4 hour how nicely the price, after this push right here, it pulled back. There is a fair value gap right here on the 4 hour. However, I was using the 1 hour. I did mention this yesterday. I talked about this fair value gap. So price pushed up. Let's go lower time for now. 15-minute. So this is Asian session. Let me pull up this indicator here so you can see where Asian session killer zone is. London session, right? And dropping London session. This gray zone right here, this is the New York session. This is the New York morning session. I don't trade in the afternoon. I just trade the morning session. So notice that price ended up pulling back, right? And it gave a little kiss right here, a little tap on this 1 hour fair value gap. You can say probably also tap that block right there. But now let's switch to 5 minute, which is where, by the time I actually woke up late today. I actually woke up. I probably almost missed this position. Let me leave this. I'll leave this indicator there. So I woke up very late today, but anyways, by the time I wake up and start watching the charts, um, this beautiful shift in the structure had happened already during London, right? And I'm like, damn, I like this recent push. I like this propulsion block right here. I kind of want to use this propulsion. If I get stopped out, whatever, So I ended up making that entry right here. I'm gonna show you here. I send it to the VIP. This is my team. Right here. I said on the video, I sent them a video saying that I don't want to take an entry yet because we had news today. Oh, come on, 2025. How do I reset this? Hold on, let me refresh. Here we go. So, CPI on Wednesday. We had news as well today, you know, and there is no time for this one. Tentative. So I don't know what this means, but it looks like President Trump is going to be speaking today. I don't know what time, but it looks like he will be speaking today. But anyways, there was news at 8:30, right? And I was like, I told my team, guys, um, I think I'm gonna hold. I think I'm gonna wait for the news. But then I said, dang, this was at 9:06. I had to buy Nasdaq on 5 minutes. I said I told them that I couldn't let it go. So this is the picture, right? I had to buy. So I took a shot right here. That was the first shot of the day, the first opportunity and only opportunity I actually got. So I took one shot, small, and then I just waited for the news to come out. Right? It was right about there. So boom, 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 boom. Then right here, 8:30. You see, 8:30. We had this kind of weird gap right there, but then it started pushing up. So in this, when I saw that rejection in this candle, I ended up making more. At the end of the day, I had like four positions in overall in this push. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. Like uh, just look how I closed the day pretty much. Well, this is the one that it hit TP. This was the remaining from yesterday, so it ended up hitting TP. But this is how much I made, even with the four positions, with the four entries I made today in total. Nothing crazy. I'm not trying to flip my account. No, that's not how I trade. Okay, so notice that right here on a 5 minute time frame, oh, it got very nasty. If you were trying to scalp this on a 1 minute, this was crazy. It was very, very choppy. So I decided to stick to the 5 and probably even 15 minute. I didn't even wanted to look at the 1 minute because I know lately we're getting a lot of choppiness. So even right here, look, notice on the 15 minute, right? We hold this gap after the news. We hold it pretty well. When I saw the rejection, I actually ended up making another position in this move right here. So pushed up, almost hitting TP, pulled back, and that pullback. Notice on the 5 minute time frame, we're still kind of holding this imbalance right here. I think there was an SMT, if I'm not mistaken. However, I did not take the shot because of the SMT. Yeah, we did sweep it. Notice right here. So there was an SMT here. Oh, boom, right there. So when I saw the rejection in there, I took another. I took again. It was like four setups, four entries today, targeting just that high, and that was it. That was pretty much it. The price did end up taking. Then it did another pullback, probably I don't know, manipulating more of these lows. We got a sell side liquidity there, and then price had a big skyrocket right here. Probably we had a setup right there in lower time frame, maybe 1 minute. I mean, we did have a break, a change of the state right there. That was a big push. Nice push right there. But if you look at it, the move looks nice, right? But this is literally just 75 pips in overall, So if I would have hold from here to the record highs, how much would it be today? I mean, today is this is why, it's just 131 pips. I'm sure we're gonna be smashing those highs. I'm sure we're gonna definitely be creating record highs. S&P probably as well. We're gonna be taking these highs. in the next few minutes, couple hours. But definitely strongly bullish right here. The bias is clear, very clear from the 5 minute and higher time frames. If you go to the 1 minute, it gets very choppy and very difficult to be trading. So, anyways, that's what I wanted to show you how we close this week. And uh, it's actually nice that this CPI week was actually good. The past couple CPI weeks for me has not been that good. Look at this, right? So I normally try to go easy, but I mean, I started the week in the red, but then recovered. So ended up at least making almost a grand in there on this week. So I'm glad that that happened. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to make it quick. If you have any questions, any doubts, if you're interested in learning what I do, how I trade, and just go ahead and follow me on all my free communities. You can join my Telegram, my Instagram, and if you want to be part of my private community, you just go ahead and check my website, teamprofitsenglish.com, and you'll see there what I actually do. I do trade live every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays with my students on Zoom, so they can see me trade live. It's very very important if you want to learn. Right? I don't sell signals. I don't recommend you getting signals. I just get the knowledge. At the end of the day, that's the best thing you guys can do. So, thank you for watching. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.